All right, we're here, and one of the cameras that we review, the QooCam camera, and we're actually in the booth of their facility right here. So this is introducing one of the good cameras that we're going to be talking about. This is an 8K camera. It's a 360 pretty much view. You could take pictures, you could do videos, pretty much, and it comes with a side with the battery. It comes with another system in the side where you actually plug the Type C. It's going to last you a couple hours. There's 256 internal memory pretty much on it, but you can always use a USB for it too. And now they're going to sell different functions on it, different kits, I would say. One with actual kit to hold on the bike, one to actually just a tripod and so forth. Now in the front, it does have a touch screen. If you guys can see it, it has a touch screen, and it's like I said, 8K video. Bottom left, 360 view. So let me see how the internet. I'm just showing people how it's an 8K
battery for and the SD card slot.
battery goes in here,
I'll show you.
and then the SD card, the connection, the Type C, power modes. One camera in the front, one camera in the back, and you also get a. Is it touch? This is a touch.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, it's a touch display. So, and then different modes here from pictures to video.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.